Oh man. Oh. Oh. What's up, everybody? Sunday, and it's hailing outside. You guys can see that. It's hailing in San Diego, California. I know, dude. You see that? There's no birdies for you to go get. Just listening to that noise is insane. Now it's just falling raining. Oh man. So I guess we're not riding today. What is going on, everybody? Eric coming to you guys again with another voiceover. This is going to be from my session. I actually really just didn't do too much weight on this one. I actually I worked up to 225 but on my squats. But yeah, I really just wanted to try out my Olympic shoes and show off my quads again. My lack of quads. Anyways, but yeah, I really just wanted to get a feel for them. I haven't used my old shoes in probably about a year, I want to say. And it felt so weird, but in a good way. Everything, I don't know if it's supposed to feel like it did, but it really, everything felt way lighter and just way smoother. But yeah, I really just, I don't know. I like it, so I'm gonna use these for squats now from now on. But yeah, I mean, it's really, really weird how it felt. Obviously a raised heel is gonna be different for the movement, but really beats the hell out of lifting advanced, so I'm gonna keep it this way. And I actually had a pretty fair amount of DOMs in my quads when I was training. I think I actually squatted the day before this, so I really wanted to get in. This was on Sunday, so after work, so I really just wanted to get in after that long day and just try it out and see, because I was so curious. So the 225 set after this was actually felt pretty heavy, heavier than it should have, but I was, like I said, a lot of DOMs and a day of work and you're just not feeling the greatest. But yeah, I was really glad to have tried these out and got them out of the closet and really just wanted to see how they felt. So overall, really good session, and yeah, gonna be staying this way from now on with the shoes, so excited for it. What's up, guys? Watching a little documentary right now.
Which is really just a fraction of time.
Cowspiracy. If you guys haven't seen it yet, go check it out. It's definitely very interesting.
Make up 98% of the body mass.
Anyways, about to try something new right now. You guys will have to check and see my reaction to this. This is definitely going to be interesting, to say the least. Now you guys are going to see this and have the same reaction that I had when I saw it at Target. We have Caroline's vegetarian fishless tuna. Now, the ingredients for this: water, textured soy flour, yeast, malted extra, natural flavoring, contains soy. So yeah, pretty much just fake soy meat. We're gonna try it and see how it tastes. That was absolutely disgusting. Literally tastes, I don't even know. That was like worse than eating cat food. Alright, what's up, everybody? So it is about 1:30 in the afternoon right now on, let's see, it's the 5th today, so it's exactly a month that I was on the so what I'm gonna do right now, I just got back from a workout. I'm gonna weigh in and see where I'm at, and just out of curiosity, if you know, because I didn't count calories or do any of that during my my month of veganism, if you want to say. So I expect to be around the same. I really just don't like the whole scale as an indicator of progress, really, but I'm actually more curious than anything to see you know, I do hold a lot of water. I take in like pounds of food per day, so it really just is never really was accurate for me. So just give you guys an update or just to see where I'm at physique wise. We'll do a little progression right here and right now on the C and then weigh in. So tank top is on, but so like I said, I tend to hold a lot of water, mainly in my midsection. So that is where we're at right now. Of course, team no abs checking in, but that's pretty normal for me. Don't really care. But so yeah, that's where we're at. Let's see where we're at here. All right, guys. Like I said, I don't really expect to be, anything different to honestly change, but had to gain some strength, so I'll probably do a little bit heavier. I last weighted probably about 166 or 167 at the beginning of the month, so we'll see where we're at.
All right, so keep in mind that's after a fasted session today. So honestly, nothing really changed.
Exactly the way I thought. So yeah, so nothing really changed. That's where we're at right now, and yeah, so I'm happy. If anything, if I did lose a pound or two, it's good because that shows, gained some strength and dropped some body fat. So that's pretty cool too. So either way, really just focusing on the bigger picture. It's again, why the scale isn't the end all be all indicator of progress. So either way, still gonna keep it up, still gonna keep moving forward, and let's do it. What's up, guys? It's about 4 o'clock right now. Just got out of class. I'm going to be doing a little experiment. So again, it's kind of weird if you're not a cyclist, can completely understand. Basically, single speed, 1 gear, right? I've been running platform pedals, which are normal pedals, with just like straight up bands, shoes, and platform pedals. So basically, you're not clipped in. Now I'm gonna try out my normal clip-in shoes on this bad boy on a short little ride, head over to the gym, do some training, and just have some fun. So let's go see how it works out. So far so good, guys. Certs. As you guys can probably see, I have an empty fridge. That's a problem. Even if I wasn't vegan, no thanks. Alrighty, guys, so small grocery trip, I guess you could say. Got some stuff. Gonna leave the shaving cream out of this one. Sorry, guys. Speaking of which, don't ever shave in a hurry, because that's what'll happen to you. Guess I shaved my legs, but yeah, so that happened. Anyways, so I went to the quote-unquote health food store, picked up some of this. It's gonna go great on my pizza tonight with my webcast that I'm doing. So got that. Some rolled oats, which I'm going to be making a recipe with soon, so those. And then I'm going to be making some more peanut butter, so I think I got like I literally got a pound of these for like a $1.65, I think. So it was like insane, really great deal on that. And I found I'm a huge mayonnaise fan, and I really I've been in a search for a good mayonnaise, vegan friendly. Macros on this are awesome too. It's like 40 calories for 15 grams, so that's pretty good. Nice long ingredient list too, so perfect. You can try that out tonight too. And speaking of trying new things, we'll be trying vanilla, the Vega Sport. I would rate the chocolate probably like a 5 out of 10. It was really, honestly, it was not that good at all. So the mixability was what gave it that mediocre or medium number, I guess you could say. Then normal grocery store, usual rice cakes, So do those. Tofu, actually enjoying it more lately, so I've been pressing it out as opposed to just eating it the way I used to eat it. More stuff for the pizza out of the can. I haven't seen this new cap style before. New cap. My usual unsweetened almond milk. Celery. Brussels sprouts, you guys know I hate those so much. Not serious though. Cilantro. Fun tip for everybody, cilantro goes great on top of pizza. So, and then I think I got like I think there's like 2 pounds of broccoli in here. So it's for dinner tonight with some Brussels sprouts and another recipe, like I said, I'm making. And then last but not least, well, garbanzo beans, of course, come on. Can't go wrong with that. Pears. Been loving my pears lately, so that's what I got. Alright guys, so we have the Raisin Bran Crunch right here. This is going to be my first time actually trying the Raisin Bran Crunch as opposed to just normal Raisin Bran cereal. I'm very excited. Also saw that they have a cranberry version, but I hate cranberries, so I'm not going to be doing that. Smells like Raisin Bran Crunch. Or smells like Raisin Bran. The usual inside look for you guys. Doing that. So it's like, just so you guys know, this is like a very, it's like a heavier, I feel like it's a granola almost. It feels like it, but delicious raisins, toasted flakes, crunchy oat clusters with a touch of golden honey. Oh, honey. May have just derped. Brown sugar syrup. That's interesting. So they don't list honey in the ingredients. Raisins, rice, wheat bran. Interesting. But see, this is where I'm going to be getting into a debate with many vegans on the channel. If you guys don't agree with me on this, then that's really your opinion, but I don't believe that honey is not vegan just because the bees aren't necessarily tortured during it. They produce it naturally, but that's just my own opinion on it. I don't consume honey right now regularly besides this, but yeah, so that's just my standpoint on it. But anyways, let's get to the cereal. I'm very interested to try it out and see how it tastes. So this is what you guys are gonna do. That. Boom, look at that. That cluster of oats. Let's give it a shot. I also have some hummus and some rice cake and a vegan salami right there. But tastes like normal Raisin Bran. I mean, the sweetness is nice, but Raisin Bran, I'm gonna say, guys, is one of my all-time favorite cereals. I would prefer normal Raisin Bran over this any day of the week.